Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great. Well, today I am going to be sharing my favorite skincare or makeup product empties with you guys. That are my holy grail products, and I have been using them from a long time, and I keep on buying them again and again because they have done wonders to my skin and I absolutely love them. They have been tried and tested over the years by me, and that's why I'm finally doing this video. So, not wasting the time, let's get started and let me share some of my product empties with you guys. Now, this is a bag full of products which I have already used. Okay, now some all of these products have been generously used and the bottle is now empty, and I've gathered them, like collected them, so by the end of the month I can show it to you guys that these are some of the products that I have been using and what are the reasons that I keep going back to them. Now let's begin first with the moisturizer. Now I love using moisturizer from this particular brand and I keep on going back and forth to this particular product again and again. Like one bottle gets empty, instantly I order two. And I'm telling you guys, like again one goes empty, I order two so that I keep on stocking them because moisturizer is something a very important essential on your skincare routine. So you have to use moisturizer and you're using it every time, like daily, morning, night. So it does get empty pretty quickly, so that's one of the reason I keep stocking up on a lot of moisturizers and from this brand because I love using this particular product. And I am personally a combination skin. Previously I used to be a oily skin person. Now I don't know, due to some reason my skin type has changed and now I've become a more combination skin type of a person. Usually sometimes in the winters, this time the nose, like the T-zone area, was a little bit dry but the other part was pretty oily, so that's why I'm calling myself into a combination skin type now. The first product, the moisturizer that I keep on going back and forth to, is La Roche-Posay Double Repair Moisturizer. Now there are two types of moisturizer which I keep on going back and forth. Its first one is this one and the second one is this one. Now, personally, if you ask me which one is my favorite, I'm going to be saying this one because this one has a matte formula, which I like to use when I have like a super oily skin. But I think recently my skin has changed a lot, so that's why I'm not going towards the more matte side of a moisturizer. I'm using this one, which is Double Repair Face Moisturizer. It also has a broad SPF 30, but whereas the matte moisturizer is a Double Repair Matte Moisturizer, which is good for oily to combination skin. And both of these moisturizers contain ceramide and niacinamide, which is really good for hydration and boosting of your skin. So that's why I love using this product. And I think La Roche-Posay is, I am not sure whether it is a brand from, I think it's from France. I am not sure. I think it's from France. Yes, it is from France. And I think I love the formula of this particular brand because there are other products also which I use from this brand. So if you're looking for a good moisturizer and have a similar skin tone like me, give it a try guys, you are not going to regret it. Now let's move on to the next product, which is again going to be from the similar brand, which is La Roche-Posay Vitamin C Serum, which is a concentrate anti-rides and it has a pure vitamin C 10% serum. You guys can see this bottle is empty. You guys can see now I've recently ordered a second bottle. This was my first bottle which I bought for a trial because I love La Roche-Posay products. So I was like, let me try a vitamin C product from this particular brand, and I absolutely loved it. Also, I do a lot of research before trying out any new brand or any product. But let me tell you, this particular, product from the brand was on top 10 categories on all of these very popular, websites, that is Cosmopolitan, Vogue, Pink Villa, like no matter whatever you open up, this was on a top 10 vitamin C serum product. So definitely 100% give it a try. This was my first bottle, second bottle is already up there and I'm using it. I love it on my skin. It's very gentle, doesn't leave any orange residue on your skin because there are some vitamin C serums which leave a sort of orange residue on your skin, and I don't like that. So the good fact or a good part about this particular serum is it does not leave any orange residue on your skin. It is a little bit towards the expensive side, but again guys, you're getting 10% off vitamin C serum in this particular product, and also a very popular brand, so definitely go for it. Now since we already spoke about moisturizer, vitamin C, now let's move on to the next product, which is going to be hyaluronic acid. This is particularly from the brand called as The Ordinary, and the product is hyaluronic 2% B5 hyaluronic acid, and this is my third bottle, you guys. Like, I don't know where's the second one. I'm like where's the first and like third bottle is right there, but this is like, I think this is my first or second. I'm trying to find another bottle. I kept it somewhere, but I love this product. Also, The Ordinary is a very well-known brand, but the products are good quality and also more towards the affordable side. This will retails for, I think, what, 10 or $12, which is what I think in INR I would say 1200 rupees, or I think less than that, or more, like it'll be around 1500 rupees, not more than that, which is super cheap coming from such a popular brand. I love this product, super gentle on my skin, and it definitely makes my skin super plumpy and keeps my skin hydrated. And I have seen a huge difference since I started including the hyaluronic acid from this brand, and just love the overall formula. It's again very good for people who have a sensitive skin, so definitely go for it and you are going to just love this product. Also, it's affordable, not too expensive, so just go for it. You are going to love it. Now, I have become a skincare junkie a lot, so I love using lots and lots of skincare products. And again, I like to do a lot of research before putting them up on my skin. Now, we did spoke about vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, so we have to speak about a next product, which is going to be niacinamide from the brand called as Glow Recipe. Now, niacinamide is something which also helps in hydrating your skin and making it look very young and super healthy, and just keeps it plumpy and super hydrating. So this is, you guys can see this like a too many bottles. I actually first got this one and then I was like, let me just give it a try a little bit more. Now I'm so convinced that I actually bought the full size of this particular product, and this is all gone, you guys. Love this product. Also, it kind of leave a kind of like a little glow on my skin. I don't know what is there in the serum, but this is like my third step when I'm doing a skincare, and it just leaves some hint of glow, and I love the product. Definitely plumps my skin. Again, it's very gentle because I'm topping it off on vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, so they all work together really nicely. So that's why also it's just making my skin like super hydrating and plumpy. It is a mini version, but this particular brand is also a very well-known brand, and it's a little bit towards the expensive side, but again, just go for it, guys. Like, come on, it's all about your skincare, right? You don't want to spend your money on something which is not going to work out for your skin, and it is about your face for your skin, so you have to spend money on a particularly good brand or a good product, so it does works on your skin and gives you 100% results, right? And this is tried and tested. That's why I'm saying go for it. If you're looking for a good niacinamide serum, you are going to love this. By the way, I also forgot to tell you this is the third bottle. So, I thought that these were the only two. So I actually got the minis, then I think I got the full size and it is gone. And now I have the fourth full size bottle. So you guys can see how much I am loving this product, that, 3 bottles are already gone. And now I'm on to the fourth one. Now let's move on to my next favorite product, which is going to be about a PM skincare product, which is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, which is this one, you guys, like you guys can see. So first I actually got the mini version. So I am someone who doesn't just buy a full size product because I want to try and test it out whether it's working out for my skin or not. Because guys, these products are expensive and you don't want to spend so much money on, something where you're not sure about. I think this particular bottle retails for 20 $20, I guess, but this one retails for I think $96. So I don't want to spend like $96 on something which I don't know which is going to work out on my skin or not. So I always go for like mini size bottles. If you like, even for this one I got the mini and then I got like the full size. This serum, I love using this serum. I have been using this for months, you guys. I think it's more than a year since I've been using this product. Just love the effect it on my skin, and I love it. Like, it just hydrates my skin, and definitely it is good for people who after 25 you should start using it. It just reduces the appearance of the wrinkles. Of course, you can't see the wrinkles right now, but it is definitely keeping your skin healthy so that the appearance of the wrinkle, the more you grow, it doesn't come up on your skin. So it's definitely good for hydrating, and it has other sort of benefits. So yeah, definitely check out this particular, product and this serum. You're going to love it. Again, it's more towards the expensive side, but trust me, it has, the results. I have seen it, and that's why I'm recommending it to you guys. It's tested, tried, everything, and it just does wonders to your skin. But you have to be consistent to see the results. It's not like you're applying it for a week and you'll be like, oh my god, it's not doing anything. You have to be consistent and you will definitely see the visible results. Now, since we spoke about one of the product from Estee Lauder, now let's move on to the next one, which is going to be the eye cream. I'm talking about this particular eye cream from Estee Lauder, which is also a night repair eye cream. This is the mini version, and this was my first product which I got, and I absolutely loved it. Now I have the full size bottle. Let me show it to you guys. Now I love the effect of this one so much that I bought the full size bottle from this particular brand, which is Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Eye Cream. And guys, I have seen visible results under my eyes. It definitely helps in repairing your under eyes. Like, I think it's good for it. It's not saying that it help you get rid of like dark circles or anything, but definitely appearance of the wrinkles and all that stuff, it is more beneficial towards that. And also repairs, nearby area. Some people have like the puffiness and then the dark spots a little bit, wrinkles. It just repairs the entire that. So that's one of the reasons that I got this particular product. Also, it's super lightweight and gentle, so you don't feel heavy under the eyes. So just go for this product. You are not going to regret it. Now, this brings me to the second last category of this product. I am talking about Bobbi Brown corrector in the shade dark peach. Now, this is a particular product which I love so much because it is good for color correction. I think it is more towards a little bit expensive side. There are a variety of other color correctors. You can just switch to them, but I love this particular one. It's super easy to carry. It's small one, and then also the shade matches me really well. So that's why I have bought the new one, and this has been totally finished. I've used it like every time when I've done makeup, and I think it did stayed with me for a very long time because I don't use too much of color corrector. I just use it a little bit under my eyes, and just love this product. So definitely check out this one too. Now let's move on to the last product for today, which is going to be, it is a CeraVe makeup removing cleansing balm. I am a sucker for makeup remover cleansing balms because micellar waters are good, but for cleansing balms you can just take a little bit balm and just it's just like a massaging your face and your entire makeup is melted. So that's why I like using the melting balms, and there are a variety of melting balms in the market, but why I love this one, it is super affordable, very gentle. Even if it gets into your eyes, it does not create any sort of irritation or anything. Love this product. Also, it's very affordable. I think it's retails for what, $8 or $9, which is again what, 700 or 800 rupees. So definitely, you should try out this product. Also, CeraVe is a very well-known brand. Even their moisturizers are very good, which I haven't tried, and I'm planning to try it out super soon. But definitely check out this one too. Alright, you guys, so these were some of my favorite product empties that I've been using for a very long time, and that was one of the reasons that I wanted to show it to you guys, that why I love this product and why I have stocked them again. The reason I've already mentioned, I love these products. Some are affordable, some are a little expensive, but again I have seen a visible results on my skin. That is the reason why I shared this particular list of products with you guys. Now, if you have any questions, please make sure you comment down below. I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. And I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. I will see you guys super soon with a brand new video. But till then, take care and stay safe. Bye, guys.